Hey guys! If you're familiar with our other videos, you've probably heard us mention using the lunar calendar and trimming your hair at certain times to improve hair and scalp health. But we know it's a lot of information and cutting your own hair can be intimidating. Today we're here to break lunar cutting down for you, as well as provide a step-by-step tutorial for perfecting your lunar trim. Micro trimming, or the art of delicately trimming your hair in tiny increments, is an ancient practice that promotes hair health and vitality. And you can further improve your results by aligning your cut with the lunar cycle. Much like our ancestors looked to the skies to determine the best times to plant or harvest crops, we also use many of the same methods to determine the optimal times for hair cutting to improve strength, growth, scalp health, and more. Before you begin a trimming schedule, familiarize yourself with the dates on the Lunar Hair Chart and their significance for hair care. Determine if you want to focus on one goal or rotate through several, and then pick dates that align with these goals that are at least 6 weeks apart. If you're not sure where to start, root work is a fantastic goal for anyone and can help to lay a healthy foundation for your overall hair and scalp health. Now you're ready to start your new micro trimming routine. When your lunar goal approaches, you will need a sharp pair of scissors, a comb, hair clips or materials to help you section your hair, and any additional products that align with your goal. Start with dry or slightly damp hair. Using the comb, gently detangle your hair to ensure smooth trimming. Section out a small portion of hair and use the sharp hair cutting scissors to carefully trim the ends of the section. You will want to focus on removing only the very ends of the hair or any visibly damaged or split ends. Remember to trim in small increments, approximately 1/8 to 1/4 inch, to avoid overcutting. Work slowly and pin up the sections you trim as you go to avoid cutting the same hair twice. When in doubt, cut less. You can always cut a little more on the next trim if you need to. Once you've completed the micro trim, gently comb through your hair to ensure evenness. Follow up with your preferred lunar goal hair care products, such as a moisturizing treatment with Euro oil, a scalp massage, or a leave-in conditioning mist to nourish and protect your freshly trimmed locks. By incorporating micro trimming into your hair care routine and aligning it with the phases of the lunar calendar, you can achieve optimal results tailored to your specific hair goals. Embrace the ancient wisdom of the moon and unlock the full potential of your hair's natural beauty. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more educational content on hair care and wellness.